Hello friends. Welcome to the AdvancedNET trading system. In this video we will discuss about the template of AdvancedNET. The indicators of the template, how the indicators work, their behavior, and how we can get the best benefits for our trades. AdvancedNET trading system is made for MetaTrader 4. It is a visual system of manual trading for professional traders. As per my study, it is the most accurate trading strategy. All of the indicators of the template never repaints after closing the candle. This system is made for the swing traders, scalpers and day traders. Our aim is to risk-free trades, and join the long-term trend with green pips. A multi-pair dashboard also provided for finding the potential trades. Indicators list. This system comes along with 12 paid indicators and one template file. Indicator specification. 1. Nihilist True Cycle, NTC. It plays a vital role in the template. There are 4 lines in this indicator: lime, red, blue, and yellow. Lime line cross over the red is mandatory criteria for long trades entry. Vice versa for short trades. If lime, red is above the blue line, it is a better setup for long. If lime, red and blue lines are above the yellow line, it means trend is strong for long. If all of the lines are above the middle line, it may very strong long trend. If you find that all of the lines are going to the same direction, then it may very high probability trade. If you can think about the wave, then you can consider that the lime, red creates short-term wave. Blue creates mid-term wave and yellow creates the long-term wave. 2. NH1 to NH6. NH is the abbreviation of Nihilist histogram. There are 5 histogram indicators containing in the second sub-window. Those are NH1, NH3, NH4, NH5 and NH6. The histogram signals by displaying their color blocks. The colors are red, orange, violet, lime, blue, aqua and gray. Lime, blue and aqua represents the buy color group. Red, orange and violet represents sell color group. If gray appear after any buy color group block, then it represents short trend. If gray appear after any short color group block, then it represents long trend. Strength of colors. Aqua represents long trend. Blue is stronger long trend. Lime is the strongest long trend. Violet represents short trend. Orange is stronger short trend. Red is strongest short trend. Gray means the reversal or pause of trend normally. 3. Combinations of 3 indicators is made of third sub-window. They are News Nectar 6, Nihilist True Cycle 2, and Bull Bear. This is News Nectar 6. It has 3 colors. If purple is on upper part, and white is in the middle part and green in the bottom part, then it is long trend. Or we can say it buy setup. See this. This is 2. If white is on upper part, and green is in the middle part, and purple in the bottom part, then it is short trend. Or we can say it sell setup. See this. This is 2. Now we are going for Nihilist Bull Bear. Lower part of the current window. It have 3 options: lime, red and gap, no color. Lime is for bullish trend, red is for bearish trend, gap means weaker or no trend. Sometimes we can see blue or orange color blocks in this histogram. Those are weaker trend of their same color group. This is Nihilist True Cycle 2. The most critical and interesting part of the system. It has 3 pair of lines and a single thick line. Yellow and red, lime and red, blue and magenta, and thick blue line. If lime above the red, and blue above the magenta, then it will be good for buy, long trend. If yellow line cross over the red line. Yellow, red pair of lines cross up the lime red. And blue magenta pair of lines, at least one of them lime line above the red line. Blue line above the magenta line. All of the 3 pairs of line above the thick blue line or thick blue line going up, or it stays above or near about the 80 levels. This is the very good long trend of True Cycle 2. Vice versa for short trend. Hope We are done with the third sub-window. Now, go for the next sub-window. 4. This is Nihilist Trend Cycle 4, the bottom window. It contains 5 lines and a row of histograms. The colored of the lines are red, aqua, orange, lime and magenta. Lime and magenta lines stays together, sometimes lime line above the magenta line, sometimes magenta line above the lime line. When lime crossed up the magenta line, it may create buy signal. Vice versa for cross down. For a good buy signal, lime cross up the magenta, lime and magenta both cross up the orange line. The direction of the aqua line is upside, and lime magenta line crossed up the aqua line. The direction of red line should upside, or it stays near 80 level. Vice versa for short sell. If red line stays above the 50 level and still heading up, aqua line traveling to upside and stays above 50 level. And lime magenta bounced from near 20 level and lime cross over magenta and those going up along with the orange line. It is a sure shot of long buy. We can expect near about 100% successful trades. Vice versa for short sell. Remember that other indicators of different windows need to fulfill their conditions. Checklist for long trade. Buy. Main chart. Price candle color is white. Candle closed above the ALF in Nihilist Ultra ADX-. More the lime square is better for long trend. First sub-window. Nihilist True Cycle, NTC. Lime line above the red line. Second sub-window. Histograms. At least 4 histograms are by color group. Third sub-window. News Nectar. Purple color will be top, white on middle, and green on the bottom. If purple color above the 50 line, probability of the winning chances are better. Nihilist Bull Bear. Histogram color is lime. Sometimes no color can be considered. But not red. Nihilist True Cycle 2, NTC2. Yellow line above the red line, and headed up. Lime line above the red line, and headed up. Blue line above the magenta, and headed up. Lime red pair of lines, above the blue magenta pair of lines, can give us a better quality long trades. Yellow red pair of lines, crossed up the lime red and blue magenta pair of lines. Thick blue line traveling up, or stays above 80 line, or near about 80 line. There are some exceptions for NTC2, we can see it in our trade example screenshots on user manual PDF. Fourth sub-window. Nihilist Trend Cycle 4. Lime line closed up the magenta line and going up. Lime magenta pair of lines crossed up the orange line. Red line is going up, or stays above 80 level, or near about 80 level. Aqua line going up, or stays above 80 level or near about 80 level. If lime magenta pair of lines, along with the orange line crossed up the aqua line, then it is good. If all of the lines are going up at the same time, then it is very good trend for long setup. At least 3 of 5 lines need to go up. Histogram of the bottom is lime. Checklist, for short trade, sell. Main chart. Price candle color is red. Candle closed below the ALF in Nihilist Ultra ADX-. More the red square is better for short trend. First sub-window. Nihilist True Cycle, NTC. Red line above the lime line. Second sub-window. Histograms. At least 4 histograms are cell color group. Third sub-window. News Nectar. White color on top, green color on middle, and purple on lower part. If purple color under the 50 line, probability of the winning chances are better. Nihilist Bull Bear. Histogram color is red. Sometimes no color can be considered. But not lime. Nihilist True Cycle 2, NTC2. Yellow line below the red line, and going down. Lime line below the red line, and going down. Blue line below the magenta line, and going down. If lime red pair of lines, below the blue magenta pair of lines. It ensures the better quality trades. Yellow red line crossed down the lime red, and blue magenta pair of lines. Thick blue line is going down or stays below 20 level, or near about 20 level. There are some exceptions for NTC2. We can see it in our trade example screenshots in the user manual PDF. Fourth sub-window. Nihilist trend cycle 4. Lime line crossed down the magenta line, and going down. Lime magenta pair of lines, crossed down the orange line. Red line is going downside, or stays below 20 level, or near about 20 level. Aqua line going down, or stays below 20 level, or near about 20 level. If lime magenta pair of lines along with the orange line, cross down the aqua line, then it is good. If all of the lines going down at the same time, it is very good trend. At least 3 of 5 lines need to go down. Histogram of the bottom is red. Exit rules. Our aim is to identify as much as possible mechanical rules to support the trader's decisions, but this is the hardest part of any system and requires both technical experience and psychological skills, and this is an endless work which we have to work on it continuously. The exit criteria always affected by market condition like range market and trending market. Exit with profit. If price moves in the direction of your trade, sooner or later you have to make the decision to close your positions, either partially or totally. Here we have some options to set our TP or exit level. If you are with trend and trading with a very good setup, the price moves in a direction with strength, it stops at areas of support or resistance. Most often this will be either a previous historical high or low, a round number, or a pivot level. If trading H4 time frame, this will be your swing trade, and you can always aim for big pips and aim next weekly pivot levels as your support resistance. They have always 150 to 200 pips average difference to each other. Exit on opposite signal. You can exit from your trade if you get one step lower TF chart, opposite signal. This will reduce the trade risk and you can exit on right time. Suppose you trading on H4 TF with buy signal and gets opposite signal on H1 TF sell signal, then this will be treated as exit rule. Exit on your daily goal. Each individual trader has different approach to trade Forex market, so your own target always good for this business. A trader with no emotion and greed always becomes successful trader. So always work with a subjective goal. Stop loss. As per my research, swing high, low are the best convention is set the SL. You can set 10 to 20 pips lower than the swing low for a long trade. And add 10 to 20 pips more than the swing high for a short trade. Stay with the trend. In trading we always say that trend is your friend. It is wise to stay with the trend for safer trades. Never trade against the trend. If you like to trade on smaller time frame, like M5, M15, then take only those trades which are in favor of current H4, H1 trend. High probability, very safe trades. The traders all over the world, searching for the system which can give them very safe trading environment. AdvancedNet can give our users such environments. If you can strictly follow the rules, then your hard-earned invested money is safe. As my experience, H4 chart is the most reliable time frame for trading. We have to find the H4 trading signal for safer trades. You can find trade example in the PDF version of our user manual. Our next video comes with some trading tutorials with some safer trade setups. If you have any query, please contact. Telegram at Nihilist07. Email nihilist.07@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video.